Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what could easily be considered the best bento lunchbox with water bottle, the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag. If you're looking for a lunch bag that combines style, durability, and functionality, this is a product you'll want to keep watching. The Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag is not just any lunch bag, it's a carefully designed, double-insulated lunch bag that promises to keep your child's meals fresh for hours. Whether your little one is heading to school or an after-school activity, this lunch bag is spacious enough to carry their Bentgo lunchbox, snacks, and even a water bottle, all in one compact, easy-to-carry package. What sets this lunch bag apart is its thoughtful construction. Made with water-resistant nylon, this lunch bag is durable enough to withstand daily use, and it's incredibly easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. The interior features an insulated thermal compartment that's perfect for keeping food at the right temperature, whether hot or cold, and the strong YKK zippers make opening and closing the bag effortless for little hands. On top of that, the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag is incredibly versatile. It offers multiple carrying options, a padded handle, an adjustable shoulder strap, or D-ring attachments to easily hook it onto a backpack. This makes it a great option for kids who are always on the go. Plus, it's designed to be lightweight, so your child won't feel weighed down carrying it around all day. Another bonus is the variety of designs available in the Bentgo Kids collection. With 26 different prints to choose from, there's a design to suit every personality. Whether your child loves sports, animals, or fun patterns, Bentgo has something for everyone. The roomy lunch bag even features extra internal and external pockets to store utensils, napkins, or other small essentials, ensuring everything has its place. And here's something that really speaks to the heart of Bentgo: their commitment to giving back. With every purchase, Bentgo continues to support Feed the Children, helping families in need, and they've donated nearly $300,000 since 2017. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and easy-to-use lunch bag for your child, look no further than the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag. Not only does it make packing lunches easier and more organized, but it also helps make mealtime fun and hassle-free. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next one.